though data indicates that there has been no decline in buyer activity amid the economic uncertainty and falling consumer confidence. It's Friday, April 11th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Overall, contracts are up this report, while the March data breaks down like this. The Baltimore metro market had fewer sales this March compared to last March, but home prices rose 2.7% year over year. Southern Maryland home prices rose 5.9%, but the number of sales were down 3.7%. The suburban metro area sold properties fell 4.06%, while home prices rose 3% from last March. The mountain region prices rose 8.3% March over March, while the number of sales fell 6.48%. Inventory is up in all counties. Properties coming soon fell 19% to 1,556. New listings hitting the market rose 20% to 2,432 this report. 1,907 homes went under contract in 10 days, an 8% increase over last report. 1,062 properties sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in 9 days. Rental properties rose to 2,463 properties for lease this report, priced at $2,400 median dollars per month. That's your weekly wrap for Maryland's Market Minute for Friday, April 11th, 2025. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.